Hey guys, it's Lex. Today I'm going to be creating this look using some of our new flower powered collection products. I'm so excited to share with you guys some of my favorite shades along with some of my favorite products from the collection. So if you'd like to learn how to get this look, keep watching. I'm going to start by tapping into the shade Flitter right here and placing that all over my lid and up into my crease and also in the lower lash line. Next, I'm going to be tapping into the shade Twinkle and placing that on the inner part of my lid. To deepen the outer corner of my eye, I'm going in with a pencil brush and tapping into the shade Mystical. And then last, I'm going to be tapping into this gorgeous highlight in the center and just placing that on the inner corner of my eye. For liner, I'm going to be using our new Tarte Double Take liner in the shade Brown. As you guys know, one side is a liquid and then the other side is a gel liner. So awesome. And can we just talk about this super cute little charm that comes on here? You can actually take this off if you want to. So like when you're done with your liner, if you want the charm, which I'll be doing, you can have it. Before I go in with our Tarte Pro cruelty-free lashes in the style Center of Attention, I'm going to be applying a light coat of our Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara in this beautiful pink packaging. And this guy also has a little charm on it. I mean, it's just so cute. For blush, I'm going to be using our Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Fairy Flush. Such a beautiful matte blush shade. I'm going to be using a brush from our Pretty Things and Fairy Wings brush set. Highlight, I'm tapping into the shade Flower Crown, which is this gorgeous shade right here in the center of the palette. Wait until you guys see how poppin' this highlight is. I don't know if you're ready for it. To top off my look, I'm going in with our new Glide and Go Buttery Lipstick in the shade Bare Bud. Alright peeps, so here's the final look using some of my fave products from our new flower powered collection. I so loved and enjoyed creating this look for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it too. Make sure to comment down below what vlog you guys want to see next, and I'll catch you later, alligator. Bye tartlets.